Stop scrolling for a second. I want to give you a secret that your financial advisor is never going to tell you. If you're an accredited investor, $200,000 to $300,000 in income for the last 2 years, or a net worth of $1 million or over, I'm talking to you. This is for you. This is a secret you need to know. If you're not an accredited investor, you can move on. This information is not for you. The secret is that you can invest passively in large commercial properties and participate in making money on these deals without having to do any of the work. And that you can invest in these deals today and actually vet them out for yourself. My name's Mike Sowers, and I'm the author of the Amazon best-selling book, Commercial Real Estate Investing. And in the book, I give away the 7-step system that is what we do at Commercial Investors Group to flip and stabilize distressed commercial assets. Now, if you're thinking, hey, commercial's crazy, now's not the right time, then you don't understand the secret. The secret is that we only target underperforming properties. See, what we do, and here's the secret to commercial real estate, is that the value of a property is simply worth the net operating income or the underlying income stream times a multiple. It's that simple. So we target underperforming properties and we de-risk them to increase the multiple somebody would pay. It's no different than the private equity strategy. So when is the best time to get into the market? Over the next 2 years, I believe is going to be the best investing time. The people who sat on the sidelines in 2008 are not the people that I'm eating lunch with every day. I have a guy who owns 50 properties. He bought them all in 2008 when there was blood in the water and made an absolute killing. And guess what he did with his profit? He reinvested it through a 1031 exchange with me in one of my deals. So how are those deals structured and how can you get involved? Here's how it works. When we buy property, we form a new LLC and we partner with investors. Now, we always put up the most amount of cash ourselves, and it's not that we would ever expect other people to put money into deals that we're not going to put money into ourselves. But we do all the work. This is us and me and my team, Commercial Investors Group. And you can check us out. But the way it works is the investors put up the cash and they receive the majority of the profits in exchange for passive returns. But they give a little bit of the profit to us for doing all the work and creating those returns for them. So look, I can't explain everything, but if you like the idea of being able to make money on deals without having to do any of the work, I'm going to invite you to a confidential conversation. Just click the link to qualify, hop on a call with me and my team, and we can talk about your specific situation, answer any questions for you, and show you how we're partnering with investors all across the United States to do these big commercial deals. I look forward to having a conversation. Click below to qualify.